Is your old or new Alexa making strange or unexpected noises? It's usually caused by alerts, reminders, notifications, or even bugs. In this video, I'll show you how to solve this Alexa making strange or unexpected noises issue. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Check alarms and timers. Open the Alexa app. If you set any alarms or reminders, you will get there. You need to stop it or delete it. Slide right to the left the alarm. Tap remove. And that's it. Solution 2. Bluetooth connection/disconnection. Alexa often makes a sound when pairing or losing connection with a Bluetooth device. So, go to Alexa app. Tap on a device's icon below. It looks like a bulb icon. Now tap on your device name. Then look for the Bluetooth connections to see if any devices are frequently connecting or disconnecting. Then tap on the Bluetooth device. Now tap on the down arrow icon. Tap the disconnect device. And that's it. Solution 3. Turn off brief mode. If brief mode is enabled, Alexa will use shorter responses and chimes instead of full sentences. Open the Alexa app. Tap on the More icon. Now, tap Settings. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Voice Responses. Next, toggle off the brief mode. And that's it. This is how you can solve the Alexa making strange or unexpected noises issue. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.